Good morning students, welcome back in moral science class, first class. Today I am going to teach you unit number 4, the value of charity. Which unit number? Unit number 4, the value of charity. It is on the page number 22. Let's open page number 22. Again I repeat. Unit number 4, the value of charity, page number 22. It is a story. It is a subtopic it has a one story. An ant and a dove. Okay, ready students? Now we start. One hot day, an ant was trying to drink water from a stream. Stream means river. One hot day, an ant was trying to drink water from a stream. Stream means river. Suddenly means immediately, he slipped and fell into the water. Fell and into the water. A dove up a nearby tree. Where is it? Dove? Nearby tree. Saw the ant drawing. The dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the ant. I repeat this paragraph again. A dove up a nearby tree saw the ant drawing. The dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the ant. Next paragraph. The ant moved towards the leaves and climbed up there. Soon it carried her safely to dry ground. She thanked the dove for having saved her life. Another day, the ant saw a hunter trying to trap the dove in his net. The ant quickly bit him on the heel. Feeling the pain, the hunter dropped the net. The dove was quick to fly away to safety. The dove thanked the ant and they became good friends. Understand students? It is a story of an dove and an ant. And the moral of the story is, love spread like fire. Love spread like fire. When one does a good act, others also will be inspired to do so. Sow the seeds of love to reap the benefits. I repeat this moral again. Love spread like fire. When one does a good act, others also will be inspired to do so. So, sow the seeds of love to reap the benefits. Okay students? And in this chapter name is the value of charity. Now we explain the charity means. Charity means helping others. Charity means helping others. Charity is a noble act. Charity is a noble act. We should never miss the opportunity to help others. It is a big way to express our love and concern to the living around us. It is a true that we are small children. It is a true. You are small children and we cannot do great acts of charity. We can't do great acts of charity, but we can surely do little things like you can give your things like pencils, clothes to the needy pupils. Okay? Sometimes we can do our friends by just giving a pen or pencil to write. Clear students? Sometimes we can help our friends by just giving a pen or pencil to write some other things also. We can also help our brothers, sisters and parents many ways, like to help your mother for doing homework with mother. Such little acts of kindness will make us good children. Such little acts of kindness will make us good children. If we are helpful to others, they will come to our help when we are in trouble. When we are needy, absolutely they are help to you. To help others means understand their problems. To help others means understand their problems and help them. And whatever we can to solve them. Clear, students? What is the charity means? Charity means helping others. What is the charity meaning? Charity means helping others. And charity is a noble act. हम सबको charity करनी चाहिए. Now it is activity time, filling the blanks. Charity is a dash act. Charity is a noble or bad act? Charity is a noble act. Noble spelling N-O-B-L-E, noble. Noble, N-O-B-L-E, noble. Second one is charity means dash others. Charity means dash others. Helping or hurting? Yes, helping. Helping spelling H-E-L-P-I-N-G, helping. And third one is children can do little acts of dash. Charity and hatred? Charity. Children can do little things of charity. Charity spelling C-H-A-R-I-T-Y, charity. And fourth one is little acts of dash makes us good. Little acts of dash makes us good. Running or helping? Yes, helping. Fourth answer is helping. Helping spelling H-E-L-P-I-N-G, helping. And fifth one is charity is an expression of love and peace. Charity is an expression of love and peace. Peace spelling P-E-A-C-E, peace. Is that clear, students? Okay. Next topic is true false. Next topic is true false. And first is we should help others. We should not help others. First is we should not help others. It is true or false? Yes, it is false. We should always help others. Second one, we can help only our friends. We can help only our friends. It is true or false? It is also true because we help always all needy peoples. And third one is act of kindness will make us good. Acts of kindness will make us good. Yes, it is a true. And fourth is other will never help us. Other will never help us. It is false. When we help others, absolutely they also help us. Thank you and have a nice day.